What would happen if you sneezed in outer space? Inside your helmet, the sneeze has nowhere to go. It bounces off the visor, coating it in tiny droplets. You can't wipe them away because your gloves are sealed. So your vision fogs up, and if you're outside the ship, that's dangerous. But without gravity, the mucus just floats around your face. Each droplet hangs suspended, spinning slowly with every breath. If you sneeze too hard, the recoil could actually push you backwards slightly. In microgravity, every force has an equal push in return. So in space, even a sneeze can send you drifting off course.